Reporting from Mancelona Now. Let's get to it. Honk for Mancelona. A few weeks ago, Ethan Bundy and Dwayne Lewis Jr. set out to break a record. Well, it didn't take long. People took notice and they went viral. Ethan, Dwayne, thanks for joining us. What gave you this idea?
We went in town, we love going in town because it's a beautiful place, and we thought we'd have a nice time and, give people joy.
Nice. Did you think you'd get this kind of response?
No, not at all. In our video that we made, we thought only 20 or 30 honks at most, but we ended up getting a little bit over 100 that we filmed.
What do you like about Mancelona?
It's a really good place. You find really amazing people there, and overall, that's a town that I hope to live in when I get older.
You aren't from Mancelona. Do you have friends and family here?
Yes, we have been making friends every year that we come up, and my grandpa lives up north in Mancelona as well.
What would be your message to people, and especially the kids of Mancelona?
Basically, go and have fun, safe fun, and make sure you're being good and everything, but it's okay to have fun and put joy in other people's faces, even if you might get embarrassed.
Ethan, Dwayne, we want to thank you for your time and for the sharing of your story. You inspired all of us.
We got our team channel right here.
Thank you for joining. I am Bree, kid reporter, reporting from Mancelona Now.